Do you drool when you hear the word jalebi? Have you ever been to your nearest halwai shop in the misty cold winter and waited for it? That wait becomes worth it when you taste the hot jalebis coming straight out of the kadhai. Jalebi is so popular that some people call it the national sweet of India. You feel proud hearing this, don't you? But what if I tell you that jalebi isn't Indian? You don't believe me? Let's explore the history of jalebi. Jalebi is not Indian. History of jalebi. Not many of us know, but jalebi is derived from zalabia or the Persian zulbiya. This tells us that the origin of this sweet was Persian. Zulbiya was the first mentioned in the 10th century in the Arabic cookbook. This cookbook was called Kitab al-Tabik. Whoa! The title of this book sounds so monarchical. However, it simply translates to the Book of Dishes. In this book, Ibn Sayyar al-Warraq, the author, mentioned zulbiya. After the 10th century, it was then mentioned in the 13th century. At that time, cookbook compiler Muhammad bin Hassan al-Baghdadi compiled his cookbook and mentioned a similar dish. He described it as a sweet traditionally distributed among the masses during the Ramadan and other festivities. Zulbiya is popular even today in Iran. In Iran, it is now a staple dessert on the Nowruz, that is Persian New Year. There is a difference between zulbiya and our Indian jalebis. The zulbiya has a floral coil pattern and jalebi is a series of circular coils. There is a difference in the materials through which they are made. If you see the Iranian sweet, it is made up of syrup of honey and rose water. It takes a simple sugar syrup to fill the Indian jalebi. This sugar syrup is known as chashni. Arrival in the Indian subcontinent. It is believed that it was brought to Indian subcontinent by Persian traders, artisans and Middle Eastern invaders. By the late 15th century, jalebi had become a part of festivals as well as occasions like weddings, birthdays, etc. Different jalebis variants. Jalebi first became popular in North India when it was served along kachori. Kachori jalebi became very famous in Bihar. Also, you should never miss having rabdi jalebi in the north. You can try the best rabdi jalebi at the old famous Jalebi Wala in the old Delhi. It then slowly descended south. Today, it is known as jalebi down south. Jalebi is known across the country. In Gujarat, they are served with tasty and crispy fafdas. This makes them the staple dessert of Gujarat. In Indore, you can find these jalebis in the form of the heavyweight jaleba. You also get the crispy sweet jalebis in the mornings along with poha. In the sweet markets of Bengal, they are known as chana jalebi, which is also known as paneer jalebi. If you ever visit Kolkata, you should visit Tiwari confectioners and have it there. You can relish the wholesomeness of paneer along with the sweet taste. In Madhya Pradesh, the mawa jalebi is quite famous. In Hyderabad, apart from the biryani, which I am sure you will have, you should try the khoa jalebi there. It is mind-blowing. In the whole of Andhra Pradesh, you can get imartis everywhere. Jalebis are here to fill your mouth with crispiness and sweetness. You can enjoy them more now that you have known it has been serving us since centuries.